Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell Ethereum on Kraken exchange specifically, follow this simple guide to complete your transaction efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account at kraken.com using your email address and password, then complete two-factor authentication if enabled. Step 2. Navigate to Trade in the main menu and select New Order to access Kraken's trading interface. Step 3. Select the trading pair, ETH/USD or ETH/EAR, depending on your preferred fiat currency for the transaction. Step 4. Choose Sell from the order type options to indicate you want to sell Ethereum rather than buy it. Step 5. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to sell in the order form, either as ETH quantity or equivalent USD value. Step 6. Select Market Order Type for immediate execution at current market price, or Limit Order to specify your desired selling price. Step 7. Review the order summary showing total ETH being sold, expected USD received, and any trading fees before submitting. Step 8. Click Sell ETH to execute the trade. Once complete, withdraw USD to your linked bank account through the funding section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.